Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptocurrency Mobile Mining and Trading. I'm Dixon, and I'm excited to have you here. After countless hours of research and testing, I'm here to bring you the most reliable real-time updates, insights, and strategies to help you stay ahead in the world of crypto mining and trading. Let's explore opportunities, learn together, and grow our crypto knowledge and profits, all from our mobile devices. Before we jump into today's big news, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps this channel grow and bring you more great content. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking news from the Pi Network. They've just announced a strategic partnership with CID Games, a gaming platform that's building games directly integrated with Pi. This is huge for the tens of millions of pioneers out there, and it's a massive step towards expanding Pi's real-world utility. What does this partnership really mean? Well, it's designed to do three key things. First, it expands Pi's real-world use cases. Second, it sends a clear signal to developers that Pi is serious about large-scale gaming. And third, it creates brand new opportunities for all of us pioneers to use and engage with our Pi every single day. Gaming and Pi are a natural fit. Think about it. Games are social, they're interactive, and they often have their own virtual economies. This makes them a perfect match for Pi's massive crypto-enabled global community. This partnership is just one piece of Pi's larger, coordinated approach to growing its ecosystem. It's not just a simple collaboration either. Pi Network Ventures has made a significant investment in CID Games, which really solidifies this partnership. This investment aligns perfectly with Pi Network Ventures' mission. It's a vote of confidence in the CID Games team, which has proven experience in game development and a vision to set new benchmarks in the Web3 gaming world. They're aiming to be the first Web3 gaming platform that achieves both scale and sustainability. By combining Pi's incredible global reach with CID Games' proven ability to build innovative games, these two organizations are setting the stage for a completely new era of Web3 gaming. This is an era where Pi is at the very center of fun, accessible, and meaningful digital experiences for everyone. So, let's talk about why this partnership is so important for strengthening Pi's gaming ecosystem. As I mentioned, gaming is a perfect fit for Pi. It's a vertical that Pi has already been actively cultivating. This isn't their first step into the gaming world, but it's definitely their biggest one yet. The partnership is part of Pi's multifaceted strategy for ecosystem expansion. This includes investments from Pi Network Ventures that aim to capture more production on the network and contribute to creating useful, engaging products for all of us. Games are universal. We all play them for entertainment. This universal appeal means that gaming is a huge market that can truly thrive within Pi's global social network. We're talking about a large, rarefied community of real people who are ready to engage and transact. The Pi ecosystem also provides the tools needed to support gaming apps, developers, and businesses at scale. For example, this partnership creates a powerful feedback loop. The games from CID Games can attract users and gain traction from Pi, as tens of millions of pioneers. In turn, the utility and use cases that developers create will strengthen the Pi ecosystem with more engagement, more production, and more innovation. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Pi has already been supporting the gaming vertical through various initiatives like hackathons, app incubation programs, pre-built tools for developers, and even monetization through the Pi Ad network. We've also seen Pi release its own game, Fruity Pi, which was integrated with Pi Payments, the Pi Ad network, and the Pi Wallet. This was a great demonstration of how existing Pi features can support apps in a tangible, sustainable, and inclusive way. This new partnership with CID Games reinforces Pi's ongoing initiative to build a viable, self-sustaining gaming environment within the ecosystem. It's going to take all of their previous efforts to the next level, scaling up game integration, social interactions, and innovation across the entire network. We're about to see a whole new world of gaming and entertainment experiences in a Web3 environment. Before we continue, if you're finding this information valuable, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to ring that bell. Also, if you have any questions or thoughts about this partnership, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Now let's look at the broader strategy. The partnership also highlights the important role that Pi Network Ventures plays in Pi's overall ecosystem development. By making strategic investments in companies like CID Games, Pi Network can collaborate with experienced builders who are specialists in other industries. In this case, it's gaming. These experts can contribute not only with individual app utilities but also with platform-level extensions that expand what developers and pioneers can create on Pi. This is a great example of Pi's multifaceted approach. They are backing projects that expand real-world utility across the entire ecosystem. This ranges from grassroots development through the Pi App Studio to high-signal investments through Pi Network Ventures. It includes everything from hackathons to incubation programs, from technical support with the Pi SDK to ready-to-go business models like the Pi Ad network. Pi isn't just focused on single products or features. They refocused on the compounding benefits that emerge when all the different parts of the ecosystem advance together. This includes pioneer engagement, platform growth, and developer incentives. Pi Network Ventures allows them to partner with experienced founders and fast-growing, disruptive companies whose work reinforces and expands the benefits of the network for all pioneers. The partnership with CID Games is a crystal-clear example of how this kind of collaboration can accelerate Pi's long-term vision for a utility-driven, accessible ecosystem. So, what exactly is CID Games building? They are building a library of high-quality games specifically for the Pi ecosystem. Their main project right now is a H5 game platform. This is a lightweight HTML5 game hub designed for engaging in casual gameplay that can be accessed easily by anyone. The best part, Pi will be directly integrated into all of CID Games' titles. This means Pi will be the core medium for payments, transactions, and incentives within the platform. Imagine earning or spending your Pi directly inside your favorite new mobile game. But they aren't stopping there. CID Games is also developing an open framework that extends the Pi platform itself. This will provide more tools, APIs, and infrastructure for other game developers. This makes it much easier for them to integrate their own games with Pi and helps build a more unified, interconnected gaming environment across the network. This is about building a foundation that other creators can build upon. So, when can we expect to see this in action? According to the announcement, the initial version of their product is scheduled for testing in the first quarter of 2026. Their development priorities will be focused on performance optimization, implementing user feedback, and ensuring alignment with the overall Pi ecosystem. Pi Network and CID Games have promised to share more updates as development continues, so we'll be keeping a close eye on their progress. For now, this partnership represents a major stride forward. It is a huge step toward expanding Pi's utility and unlocking the massive potential of gaming as a powerful driver for ecosystem growth. This is the kind of news that gets me really excited about the future of Pi and mobile crypto in general. It shows a clear strategic path toward creating real, tangible value for the community. We're moving beyond just mining on our phones and into an era of real application and utility. This collaboration is a testament to Pi's vision and their commitment to building something that lasts. That's all the time we have for today's update. This is massive news, and I can't wait to see how it unfolds. What are your thoughts on this partnership? Are you excited about the prospect of Pi integrated games? Let me know in the comments section below. I'm really curious to hear your opinions and answer any questions you might have. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you're always the first to know about the latest updates in the world of crypto. Your support means everything. I'm Dixon, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned.